Welcome to Aidan Clark Learn. In today's video, we will solve important exam-style questions for the Huawei HCIA-Datacom V2.0 certification exam. These H12 811 V2.0 exam questions are designed based on real exam patterns. These questions focus on DHCP and FTP service concepts. This will help you understand how questions are presented in the actual certification exam and improve your preparation level. Let's begin the questions. Question number 1. Which of the following IP addresses cannot be assigned to a host by default? A. 172.16.1.1/16. B. 192.168.1.1/24. C. 10.0.0.1/8. D. 224.0.0.1/24. Correct answer, D. 224.0.0.1/24. Explanation. 224.0.0.1 belongs to the multicast IP address range. Multicast addresses are not used for assigning IPs to individual hosts. In HCIA exams, you are expected to distinguish between unicast, multicast, and broadcast addresses. Question number 2. PC1 and PC2 are connected to the same switch, but they cannot learn each other's ARP information. This may be caused by incorrect VLAN configuration. A. True. B. False. C. Both. D. None. Correct answer, A. True. Explanation. ARP works within the same broadcast domain. If two devices are placed in different VLANs, they cannot communicate directly, and ARP requests will not be resolved. VLAN misconfiguration is a common cause of such connectivity issues in HCIA exams. Question number 3. A Huawei device is configured as an FTP server. Which of the following can cause FTP login failure? Select all that apply. A. FTP service is not enabled on the device. B. Incorrect username or password. C. Authorized directory is not configured. D. Network connectivity between client and server is unreachable. Correct answers. A. FTP service is not enabled on the device. B. Incorrect username or password. C. Authorized directory is not configured. D. Network connectivity between client and server is unreachable. Explanation. FTP login failures can occur due to multiple reasons. FTP service not enabled on the server. Incorrect authentication credentials. Missing or incorrect directory permissions. Network connectivity issues between client and server. HCIA exams often include multi-cause troubleshooting scenarios like this. Question number 4. Which message is sent first by a DHCP client during the IP address allocation process? A. DHCP offer. B. DHCP ACK. C. DHCP request. Correct answer, B. DHCP discover. Explanation. The DHCP process starts with a DHCP discover message sent by the client. This is part of the DORA process: discover, offer, request, and acknowledge. Question number 5. Users are unable to obtain IP addresses from a DHCP server even though the configuration exists. What is the most likely missing step? A. FTP service is enabled. B. DHCP is not enabled globally. C. VLAN is not configured. D. ARP is disabled. Correct answer, B. DHCP is not enabled globally. Explanation. On Huawei devices, DHCP will not function unless it is enabled globally using the DHCP enable command. This is a mandatory step before DHCP can start assigning IP addresses to clients. These were scenario-based DHCP and FTP service configuration practice questions for the Huawei HCIA-Datacom V2.0 certification exam. If you want more exam-oriented practice questions, realistic networking scenarios, and preparation material for the Huawei Certified ICT Associate HCIA certification. Platforms like Pass for Future can help you explore additional topic-focused resources and practice questions. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, turn on notifications for more exam practice content. See you in the next video.